Ever feel like your business finances are scattered across different platforms, making reconciliation a monthly headache? You're meticulously tracking transactions in your Relay account and simultaneously entering or importing data into your accounting software. It's a double-entry dance that's not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. What if I told you there's a way to bridge that gap, to have your Relay transactions seamlessly flow into your accounting software, automating a significant chunk of your financial workflow? In today's digital age, efficiency is paramount. As business owners and financial managers, we're constantly seeking tools and strategies to streamline operations and gain a clearer, real-time view of our financial health. Relay, with its focus on business banking, offers a powerful platform for managing your funds. Similarly, accounting software like QuickBooks Online, Xero, and others provides the framework for organizing your financial data, generating reports, and ensuring compliance. The magic happens when these two powerful systems connect. Think about the hours you currently spend manually exporting CSV files from Relay, formatting them, and then importing them into your accounting software. Or perhaps you're painstakingly entering each transaction one by one. This process not only eats into your valuable time but also increases the risk of human error, a misplaced decimal, a miscategorized expense, a duplicated entry. These seemingly small mistakes can snowball, leading to inaccurate financial records and potentially flawed business decisions. Connecting Relay with your accounting software eliminates this manual drudgery. It establishes a direct, automated link that ensures your Relay transactions are automatically synced with your accounting ledger. Imagine a world where every deposit, every withdrawal, every payment made through your Relay account is instantly and accurately recorded in your QuickBooks Online or Xero account. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's a reality made possible through integrations. So, how exactly do you unlock this efficiency superpower? The process generally involves utilizing the built-in integration features offered by both Relay and your accounting software. While the specific steps might vary slightly depending on the accounting software you use, the underlying principles remain consistent. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular accounting software and how you can typically connect them with Relay. Connecting Relay with QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a leading cloud-based accounting software favored by many small and medium-sized businesses. Integrating Relay with QuickBooks Online often involves the following steps. Access the QuickBooks Online App Store, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the Apps tab or the App Store. Search for Relay. In the search bar, type Relay and look for the official Relay integration. Connect the app. Click on the Relay app and select the Get App Now or Connect option. Authorize the connection. You'll likely be redirected to a Relay login page. Enter your Relay credentials and authorize QuickBooks Online to access your Relay account information. Configure settings. Once the connection is established, you might need to configure certain settings, such as selecting which Relay accounts you want to sync and how the data should be mapped to your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts. This is a crucial step to ensure your transactions are correctly categorized. You might be able to set up rules for automatic categorization based on transaction descriptions or types. Initiate sync. After configuration, you'll typically have the option to initiate an initial sync of your past Relay transactions. Going forward, new transactions should automatically sync on a regular basis. Review and verify. It's always a good practice to review the initial sync and verify that the data has been transferred accurately. Check a sample of transactions to ensure they are correctly categorized and reconciled. Connecting Relay with Xero. Xero is another popular cloud accounting platform known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Connecting Relay with Xero usually follows a similar process. Access the Xero App Marketplace, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Marketplace or App Store section. Search for Relay. Search for Relay in the App Marketplace. Connect the app, select the official Relay integration and click on the Get This App or Connect button. Authorize the connection. You will be prompted to log into your Relay account and authorize Xero to access your data. Configure settings. Similar to QuickBooks Online, you'll likely need to configure how your Relay accounts and transaction data map to your Xero chart of accounts. Pay close attention to setting up bank rules or feed settings to automate transaction categorization. Establish bank feeds. Xero often utilizes bank feeds for direct connections. Ensure that the Relay bank feed is successfully established and configured to import transactions automatically. Reconcile transactions. Once the feed is active, your Relay transactions will appear in your Xero bank reconciliation screen, ready for matching and reconciliation. Regularly review and reconcile these transactions to maintain accurate records. General benefits of connecting Relay with accounting software. Regardless of the specific accounting software you use, integrating it with Relay offers a multitude of benefits. Automation. The most significant advantage is the automation of data entry. Say goodbye to manual imports and exports. Transactions flow seamlessly, saving you valuable time and effort. Accuracy. Automated data transfer significantly reduces the risk of human errors associated with manual data entry. Your financial records are more likely to be accurate and reliable. Real-time visibility. With automatic syncing, you gain a near real-time view of your cash flow. You can see exactly what's coming in and going out without having to wait for manual updates. Simplified reconciliation. Bank reconciliation becomes a much smoother process. Your Relay transactions are already in your accounting software, making it easier to match them with your bank statements. Improved efficiency. By automating a key financial task, you free up your time to focus on more strategic aspects of your business, such as growth, customer relationships, and innovation. Enhanced collaboration. If you work with an accountant or bookkeeper, the integration provides them with direct access to your Relay transaction data, streamlining collaboration and making it easier for them to provide timely and accurate advice. Better financial insights. With all your financial data consolidated in your accounting software, you can generate more comprehensive and insightful reports, leading to better informed business decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.